Friday food, Friday night food, and that's it. So, what is up, mga repapips? So, I am going to use this large double-sided pan now, but I'm not gonna use this outside to cook barbecue, but instead, I'm going to use this as a pan for my pizza because our oven here actually doesn't have a flat surface. It has those grilled thingy on the rack. So if I'm going to put the pizza there, or I'm going to bake the pizza there, I don't think that that's the best thing to do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make this a pizza pan instead. So in other words, this grilling pan also has other usage, not only for grilling, but we could also use this for cooking baking other food and put it inside the oven. So that's what I'm gonna try to do right now. But before doing that, we need to wash this first because this hasn't been washed yet. Okay, so we'll have to remove first this labeling. See? So you need to wash it because there is a sticker at this. Oh, see? Oh, whoa. Okay. And okay. So I think this is already pre-seasoned. Again, just be careful. Just be careful with this pan because it is really heavy. It's not quite heavy, it is really heavy, meaning it is full metal. Just wanted to show you a bit of this one. So here, when you see there is the engraved Lodge brand. So this is the top. Oh no, not the top. One side, and then the other side. This is the other side. So it's the griddle part of the pan. We are just. Oh, what happened? Water spilled. So we are just cleaning it with water, with plain water now. So this is what I mean with the oven. It doesn't have a flat surface, so it has gaps over there, and you don't want to cook the pizza here because it might stick on the what do you call this, on those grills. So at least if you are going to put it here, it's just gonna stick on the grill. And we are just going to put it here, so we might have to preheat it first. Preheat and then first, yeah. So yeah, we'll have to preheat it for a couple of minutes. So we're just gonna have to bake it and then put it into 380. But we are going to bake the pizza at maybe at around 300 so that it won't burn. Okay, so time is up and time to get the pizza. So we are just going to open now. Here, I'm gonna show you what happened inside. And there you go. So that's the pizza over there. So it's well cooked. And then the chicken, those are not nuggets, okay? So those are chicken strips. This one is chicken strip, and then this one are the chicken breast chunks, and then the one behind is the lasagna. So look how organized the foods are, just using the grill pan. So that is another way. Again, that is another way of using the grill pan. Okay, so I'm going to grab this now. So if you are going to grab this, just be careful and use a very durable set of mittens, kitchen pot holders, because these grilling pan, this grilling pan is so hot because it retains heat so much. And then I am just going to put it on our table, and no need for another set of plates. So I'm just gonna put it there, and that's it. That's how we are going to serve our food. Neat, isn't it? So I have this pizza slicer here from Dollarama, and I forgot how much is this one, but of course we always buy an affordable version of anything. And just gonna slice this off below, and on the other side. And voila, it's done. And then pair your pizza with beer. So I'm just gonna get a beer. So here's our beer. Then we're gonna pair these with our Friday food, Friday night food. And that's it. So this is how you are going to use your Lodge double-sided grilling pad or grilling pan. It's another way of using it not only for grilling.